In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can put your WordPress website in maintenance mode. So what you want to do for that, log into your dashboard on your WordPress website, then go to the plugins and add a new plugin. And here you want to add a plugin that's called maintenance. Just like that. I'm not really good at typing. And then this is the one we are going to use. Over 600,000 installations. It's just maintenance. Hit install now, and now it's going to download. And there we go. Activate. Yeah, there we go. And now we want to find the actual plugin here. So this is where we can see that it is installed. Now I guess we have to go to settings. No, we don't. Let's see. Oh, here it is. And then we can see the page title where we can edit everything. So here we can customize. We can add our logos, our names, a background. And if we go to the website right now, it is not under maintenance mode, but here we can customize it. Page title, site is undergoing maintenance mode, site will be available soon. Here we can add a background image if we want to, and as you can see, you can just basically customize this however you want. So if we go to the website right now, let's copy it. And now this is not really working right now, but as you can see, maintenance mode is on. But for my side, I have changed something in the CSS, so for me it's not working. But this is just how it looks, and what they will see is just a background with maintenance mode is turned on. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.